So today we are trying to change the battery on this 2019 Audi A5 convertible. So we have this battery that after a few days is very weak. After, let's say, 4 or 5 days, barely starts the engine, and we are going to replace it with this one that's almost new. So I'm gonna show you what you have to do and how to code the new battery using VCDS. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. Then you remove the minus terminal, then the positive terminal, and after this you put the other battery inside and do it in reverse. The battery is held by this one. This is the main bracket for the battery. After you remove this one, you remove this terminal, then the other one, and that's kind of it. This is the hydraulic pump for the convertible top, for the roof. So you have to be a bit careful when you move it. You just have to move it just a bit so you can access the 2 screws, and that's it. But just be careful. To properly code the battery, you'll need VCDS, or I don't know, maybe OBD11, but you need this. This is the one you need. This label is everything you need. Take a picture of it and that's it.
A few moments later.
So after everything is complete, you go on VCDS, and the battery adaptation on this model, Audi A4, A5, S5 is the B9 platform. It's an adaptation under the gateway. 19 is the gateway. You go to adaptations and you search something related to the battery. So you have battery capacity. Ours is 68. Okay, do it. Yep. Okay. Okay. Then you have battery technology. Ours is what? Fleece. Yep, I think it's the same. Ours is AGM, but AGM, this is one. This is the one, AGM. Okay, do it. Blah blah blah. Okay, and now we have one more step. Manufacturer. Okay, JCB. Yep, that's right. Because you have, this is written on that little label, and this is the serial number, I think. If not, I have another one written. I will try this one. If not, I will copy the other one. Let's see. Yep, Okay, so I have to check the label and write the other serial. There are two serial numbers on the label. So this is the other one. Yep. Okay. Go back and everything is okay. Exit. And now blah blah blah. Everything is just like it should. No errors, no nothing. And now the car knows what charge should expect from the battery, what charge to send to the battery, and all this stuff, because it now knows the capacity and the technology and everything. So this is it.